What? Debut na naman? 3 taon ka na nagdidebu ah. Oh, hi guys. This is the Ramones. And this is our crib. This is where we practice. Come on, let's check it out. Hi guys, this is Jervy. She plays the guitar. Hi Jervy. These are his effects pedals. Makes effects.
Ano ba yung mga gear nyo? Explain sa amin.
This is a preamp. It controls the treble, the bass. It's like the jeepney when you adjust the volume.
Ano po yung mga musical influences nyo?
Ang musical influences niya, guitar.
Hindi sir, I mean yung pinapakinggan yung music.
Guitar lang ang piniplay niyang music. Yun lang ang musical influences niya. Hi, this is Roland. He plays the piano. Hi, Roland. Yeah. Roland is kinda new. He's kinda shy. Pinapakinggan yung music, bale, pagka wala siyang magawa ng Sunday, S Club 7, Francis Ferdinand. Oh, the drummer, of course. How can I forget? Hi, this is Jervy. He plays the drums. That's all it is. Thanks, Jervy. As you can see, this studio is fully air conditioned. It's 10 square meters by 10 square meters, so it's pretty big. Here, as you can see, this extension cord is made from the United States. Plugged in the outlets. Our outlets are 110 volts only. Hi, this is Girlie. I met her just 2 hours ago. Now she's my girlfriend. Girlie, umalis ka dyan. Okay. This is a chair. I love Jovi. It's the drummers, but I sit here now. There. Girlie, dito ka. Alam ng parents mo nandito ka? Huwag mo sabihin ha. How old are you? Shh, don't cry. Fuck, don't cry nga eh. Diba? This is an amp. They bought it from the Don. See the sticker? It's sold to us by the Don sa presyong adik. 1.5 lang. As you can see, this wall is made from sticky substance called the rugby. It's used to repair our shoes and our amplifier. Girlie, ka rito. Mag-hits tayo, girlie. Kang mag-cry. Sapakin kita talaga. Right now, we've been practicing really hard because we want to win the Battle of the Bands of the Year this year. Last year, we almost won, but we weren't nominated. But these are our trophies. This one, we won in Nepakyu Music Festival. This one is from the Barangka Tennis and Toy Convention Band Contest. This one is the President's Cup Pelota Tournament. It's won by Jovi's dad, but he donated to us, so it will be many. This one we won in Sugbu Beach Music Tournament. We won Band of the Year with me at the top as the vocalist of the year. Of course, my bandmates also have credit because we won a certificate of recognition because they donated a blood. It's a typo. It's to the Don. It's actually to the Ramones. And this is I won for the Cupao shouting competition, best of 3. And it's gone now. The contest is now over because I keep on winning. Next summer, they will be conducting an emo Las convention, and I will join that too. And of course, so they won't be sad, there's a surprise award for Member of the Week. So it goes to the guy always before me, comes here and cleans the room and washes my shoes. This plaque of appreciation goes to Jofer! Alright! Woo! Congratulations. Yeah! Yay! Jofer, please don't get it into your head. Be humble all the time like me. Okay na okay talaga yung girl mo si Girlie ah. Salamat sa referral ah.
Ano na ba kung lang naman nililigawan yun?
Okay lang yun. Sport naman tayo eh. May the best man win. Tsaka besides, meron ka naman plaque of appreciation eh. Member of the week ka. Member of the week. Biruin mo yon. Dapat bibigay ko kay Roland yan kasi lang masyado siyang tahimik.
Pero anim na ba akong nililigawan niya?
Okay nga lang yon, sport naman tayo eh. Sa akin naman napunta eh, kasi sa mapunta pa sa ibang tao yan. Diba, no? Nagtawa-tawa ka dyan. Mag-drums ka nga. Ibahin mo. Roland,
Ah!
binibenta mo yung bass mo, di ba?
Oo.
Magkano?
2.5.
2.5, mahal naman. Presyong kaibigan. Kabanda tayo eh. Presyong addict, 1.5. 1.5, di ka nalugi doon.
Teka, pag-isipan ko muna. Sige.
Huwag na.
Sige.
1.5.
1.5.
Okay. Mamaya pa. Okay na. Paano mo nakakuha yan? Paano mo nadala dito yan?
Niligawan ko. Ano na ba akong niligawan niya?
Pare naman eh.
Ano na ba niligawan?
1991 pa tayo magkasama. 14 years, pare. Tapos girl lang, magkakatalo-talo tayo. Member of the week ka pa naman. Roland, sa'yo na to. Damot. Singing out my envelope adios doesn't seem all too bad. Kat kasama mo ako, iisang bangka tayo. Salamat at may gabing nakalaan sa kaunting kasiyahan. Live and be, love will set us free. Hearts that see and feel, love will make us real.
Nadali mo, kid! Yung boses mo, perfect!
Talaga?
Perfect!
So okay na.
Yung forms na lang.
Forms?
Forms.
Anong form? Okay.
Forward, bend your knees, forward your right foot, bend a little, push, then sing. Teka. Asan yung chain mo?
Bakit?
Lahat ng vokalista, may chain.
Pero paano yung boses?
Boses mo, perfect!
Hi, we're the Ramones! Yeah, thank you for this cup of appreciation for winning the Battle of the Bands of the Year. We're very sorry we can't be there tonight because of unexpected gig tonight because these debuts happen all the time. Right, guys? Right. Yeah. So I'd like to extend our very gratitude to our parents, our family, our friends, our classmates in school, our, other bands in the, supported us, who don't like us.
Like
And
to
all
say-
the people here in black, everybody wearing black, the emos, the punk, people from Laguna, guys from Bangkal, Makati to like us. So, thank you very much.